Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you the Remini app many times reviewed on my channel. Basically, I'm going to show you from the very beginning and explore all the features and everything. So make sure till that new to my channel, make sure consider subscribe to appreciate. Let's start video. This is the interface of the Remini app. We have recent photos here. You can select from right there. Even you have an option to choose from your photos or gallery app as well. But the recent photos appear here, you can choose very easily. After that, you have to do nothing, click on enhance and everything is automatic, like from uploading to processing. And then after processing, your photo will appear like this one. And we have 3 versions available, like base, version 1 and version 2. There's no differences, big differences, but maybe subtle or very little difference appeared. On the color, we have different colors available, and even by default original color as well available. But in my opinion, before it we have only 1 or 2 colors. Remini is really consistent in terms of the updates. Maybe some new features add and removed by timely and again provide by update are improving the feature. Remini recently removed feature called AI avatar, but AI photos, AI filters still available here. Right now you can see here we have background enhancement as well as the face enhancement options also available. Like you can see here very huge difference now here in the background, but the by default selected one is the best one in my opinion. You can see by yourself as well. If you channel, make sure consider subscribe. Right now let's look into the next feature called the video enhancement. You can also save this video as well in before and after comparison. So we have to click on video, and again our recent videos appear here or your photos have appear. Click on video, choose your video. Now again everything is automatic. You have to do nothing, no settings available at all. Processing and downloading into your gallery, everything is automatic. Now we have some photos available, AI photos. You can generate your photos by using AI. You have to provide 8 photos just like the AI avatars. Now we have AI photos in the Remini app. You can generate professional DSLR quality photos within few seconds. Now this is a retrain model option available. If you first time upload 8 photos and you have to change again like female, so you have to upload again 8 photos by click on retrain model. Now your model removed and you have to upload again 8 photos, no matter either man or woman. So right now here is the options available. We have an upper body options available as well as the lower body option. Now you can select what type of dress do you like. So I selected the female in the first time and uploaded 8 photos. That's why clothes and overall model options available in the female category. We have a bunch of options available here you can select. So I'm going to choose this one. This one looks good in my opinion. First time it's take more time because first time your model will be trained according to AI and then AI generated photos for you. 3, 4, 5 or 6 photos generated by the AI. Right now AI generated 4 photos. Swipe right to save, swipe left to delete. This is really simple and easy to navigate. Right now we have to choose another model. Simply click on it and AI this time will take around 2 to 3 minutes or maybe less than that. Depending on the model and your provided images quality, this will take some time. So this is the AI filters option. You have to upload your photo. If you go back in August or July update, Remini removed uploading photo option. You have to capture by your camera and then you can apply AI filters. But right now again Remini, as I said earlier, really consistent in terms of the update. Again provided upload photo option. Make sure you are going to use your own photos for AI photos as well as for the AI filter. The AI filters quality is really good and mind-blowing. We have different options available when it comes to filters. AI filters is really mind-blowing. It's changed the background as well as your face professionally and looks photo really good. It's not something like painting effect or really low quality. It's really high quality and looks really good. Please let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Remini has also web version which is separate from the app and required separate subscription. You can get some customization and other few options in the video enhancement in the web version. App is enough and all-rounder if you are on desktop. So maybe the web version for you. This is the video for today. I hope you like, subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.